to Hollywood? What's your dream? Imagine how many film stars during the Oscars have walked up this staircase and into the Dolby Theatre. Amazing how many, you just think all your favourite stars all been here. From the Dolby Theatre, and again the staircase here is where all the stars will come walking up. So that's what it looks like in Hollywood today, but there's no red carpet up the stairs here today. The red carpet is actually over in Butt Lane, 6,000 miles away. Let's head there with a click of our finger. So here we go, we're in Butt Lane, a little bit cooler here, and this is where Hollywood is coming to Butt Lane. The red carpet's going to be in here today. So tell you a little bit more about Exit to Exelon, what we're going to see. It's a story of the Golden Vision Company, which sends intrepid frontiersfolk out across the galaxy to build new homes for humanity, and how one woman armed with a big hat, a long scarf, and a sonic screwdriver uncovers one of the most heinous crimes in the universe. It's £5 to get in. It's the premiere of the video today, but it will be available on YouTube at some point. And if you want to see the full interview between Dave Fisher and Dave Waterhouse, then I'll put the links in the comments below. Here we go. This is the premiere, Exit to Exelon. And all the guests are met by this friendly chap here. I don't know if he has a voice. There is no voice. There is no voice on that one. So how wonderful is that? Follow us, let's head in.